trying to vlog. You trying to see that? Alright, y'all. Day after Christmas sale. Maya, where y'all at? Oh, they doing something. So the day after Christmas sale, Bath and Body semi-annual, and some stuff from Burlington's on sale. This little haul video, let me just show y'all real quick. So, hand soap. My stockpile thing is hand soap. These. I have 3, 6, 9, 12 bottles of hand soap, but that's not all. 15. I got 20 bottles of hand soap, y'all. So Sun Wash Citrus, Rainforest Gardenia, Honolulu Sun, Peppermint Twist, Winter Candy Apple. Y'all get the gist of it. So certain scents are a part of the 6 for $24. That's not the one you want. Y'all want to go for the $3 ones, or the ones that's even less than that, because what's happening is in the app you got a $10 off of 30. So if you get 12 hand soaps, you end up paying 20 something dollars. Plus we had a free gift coupon. So after every $10 we had the free gift coupon, so it's only right that you make your free gift one of the more expensive items. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do. Item, this aromatherapy stuff. So that's that on that. Now bubble bath on sale. How much was these, Maya? Like $2? You know what the bubble bath was? So these on the 75% off table because they're part of the Christmas scents. That's cool too, because by the time we buy 3 of these, we add on another free gift, which I add on the Love Aromatherapy. So all my free gift stuff is the Love Aromatherapy from Candle Day. I still got rewards left from that, but Candle Day I did the Calm, the Juniper Calm, all the pieces in that line. So this one, all the pieces in this line, I did the Love. So we have the Love bubble bath. We have this right here. This is the bath salt. We have the lotion and some other stuff down here. My free gift from that was the Into the Stars bubble bath. So I'm trying to collect bubble bath because Bath and Body don't do bubble bath too often. So when you see it, you got to get it. This is the Love Nourishing Moisturizing Body Wash. That's a freebie. You won't go after all the expensive one as the freebie. And 9 candles. 72 points at Bath and Body Works. You get a free item if y'all in that test market or the regular market where you get the freebies. So candle summer packaging right here is on the table for 50% off, and some of them are even 75% off, y'all. So that's why I always tell y'all, keep some little money stashed in your Bath and Body Works app, and when you go to do your haul, it don't feel like a cost. It's still going on. If you unaware what the old beach packaging look like, I don't know if you can really see it, but this is what it's looking like, y'all. So this is Blue Ocean Waves. Everything that got like a beachy theme, I would go ahead and get it, because remember their candles are made with essential oils, and we coming up on springtime anyway, so it's not going to hurt to have them. And remember, you can always swap. So what we did on Candle Day is a lot of us, my 70 candle haul, a lot of us got lots and lots of candles with repeat scents, but that's okay, because that's what we do. You end up swapping them. You're not going to get no money back. You're going to get even exchange, but that's cool because you can go ahead and swap into your summer and spring scents. Now let me show y'all what I got. Burlington, y'all. Burlington got like nice home decor. So I'm changing my colors to, like, I already have the deep teal, but I'm taking out the purple and I'm doing more rose gold, aka blush pink, because you can't find a lot of rose gold. So this picture do something amazing today. I caught this on a steal of a deal, and I got a second one that says Fashion Rules This House. So y'all, don't be afraid to go up in these stores and get y'all some decor for the Lolo. Between Ross and Burlington, you normally find nice house items. So to go with our candle theme, this is glass, and it's iridescent, like psychedelic colors. Y'all can't really see that part, but oh shit, that's cute. Yeah, that's cute from Burlington. So remember now, y'all gotta go to Burlington to get y'all Little knickknacks for your home, okay? You don't have to spend a lot of money to deck it out. Not like my mama them up in here. I ain't got that kind of money. No candles fit in here. I don't even think the Bath and Body Works single wick would fit in here. But I'll just put this on my table as decoration, and I don't smoke, so ain't nobody gonna make a mistake for an ashtray. So I'm like in here, smoke Newport. Right now, this is the what I got for Christmas portion. Let me go ahead and stand on y'all real quick. Y'all, sister rose gold suitcase. My sister gave me this, so that's my rose gold, my favorite color.
You trying to put us in there? Not then I can pull them out with the thing.
You messed up her video.
When you talking, you got that in my salt.
She said they talking in the back of the video. Lord. And they know I like candles around here, so look y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, get in the video. 5. So I got 5 candles as part of my Christmas gift. The suitcase, I got some wallflowers and a bling blingy plug-in. Hold on, let me show y'all this. Bling 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 and some wallflowers, right? Most importantly, I'll show y'all that part last time. So me and my sisters and my cousins, all us grew up together. We went to the city prom, an adult prom, and this was a group picture that we took probably, how old are you, 8? 8 years ago. So this is what I got in the frame from my mama. And put this on my table. Okay, memorabilia, family stuff count, family matters. A self-portrait on canvas, which this is going to hang in my house. I know some people gonna think that's kind of weird or like she conceited or something, but this is a gift I got for me, and I gonna hang it in. It's nice. I got a rose gold MK watch. I don't own a watch. I don't think in my, I'm 38. I don't know when the last time I had a watch. I don't think in my adult life I never bought myself a watch, but my little sister got me a watch, so that was real cool. And boom, boom, boom. Got my brother on a polo. But nobody can touch it or get dirty and stay in my house with the memorabilia. His birthday was December 13th. How old Tonio would have been on the 13th? 42?
That'd be 42, wouldn't it?
So
77.
77. So this December 13th he would have been 42. So I don't want it to get dirty, so I'm gonna get it laminated. You know, like back in the day people had plastic on their couch. Well, I know that's ghetto, but that's what I'm gonna do to this in memory of, and keep this. This is like the most important of all the Christmas gifts, y'all. And that's what I got for Christmas, and that's how we went to shop semi-annual, and that's how I got all this Bath and Body Works stuff for probably like $42-ish. And then the girls got them some stuff, but y'all probably saw that vlog before y'all saw this. And then they about to vlog. Y'all gonna vlog y'all video? Yeah. They gonna vlog their video too. I'll link their channel below. They just start their vlog channel. Alright now, Mama be eating pot pies. I'm gonna eat too, and we will see y'all on the next one. Y'all gonna come get my outro? Never mind.